Tîm o sefydliadau yn gweithio gyda'i gilydd i archwilio cefn gwlad Sir Gaerfyrddin ydy RDP Sir Gâr. Trwy'r cynllun Datblygu Gwledig, mae yna nifer o brosiectau yn cael ei ariannu yn y sir, megis sgiliau, busnes, twristiaeth, mynediad o'r wasanaethau, yn ogystal â chymorth i gefnogi ffermwyr i arallgyfeirio. Dyma beth sydd wedi digwydd yn eich ardal chi.
And we're RDP funded, Rural Development Plan for Wales, for Carmarthenshire specifically. And part of my project, or main part of my project, is training traditional skills for upskilling, reskilling anyone within the community, within this RDP area. They wouldn't happen if we didn't have this funding. Carmarthenshire would be falling backwards, definitely. And what else it provides us with? It provides us with, again, pieces of kit like this. And we've got literature that we're producing that people can come pick up. That's going to outlive this part of the RDP funding. Once this project finishes, there will be an outcome of longevity afterwards, of materials that can be used whoever by, whether it's by the Towie Centre, Carmarthenshire Council, or just within Carmarthenshire.
My name is Jill Wright. I am a director of the community interest company that was set up for this building.
I'm Jane Ryan, I'm also a director of the Level Crossing.
And with the help of the RDP funding for bunkhouse businesses and amongst other things.
And then we submitted 4 funding applications to 4 different funders in Carmarthenshire. So that was Distinctive Rural Hubs, which helped with the building costs. Rural Community Inclusion, that helped with the fitting out of a kitchen. Innovative Communities, that supported us with installing solar hot water panels and a marketing grant. And Collaborative Communities, which paid for most of the fixtures and fittings. The reason we set it up was really about bringing more visitors to Llandovery and creating more job opportunities for people who live locally, and we really want to put Llandovery on the map.
We've had several bits of RDP funding over the years, which has made a significant difference to the work at the YMCA. It's not only provided us with equipment and at one point a small amount of salary funding, it's enabled us to apply for other grants and develop. Next door we have what we call our boardroom, which is a meeting room which is available for people to rent for meetings, etc., and provides an income for the YMCA that helps us cover our operating costs. On the ground floor we've got a DigiLab.
Since we've had the RDP funding, we've been able to, like say, build up the garden and make like a workshop for wood projects. And because of that, we were able to, like say, run courses for like NEETs and also the after school kids and the youth club children.
The RDP funding has enabled us to enhance the building to the point where we could open it up to lots of other groups. There are now nearly 30 groups who use the YMCA on a regular basis for all sorts of activities. It's made it accessible and made it attractive and welcoming for people to use and to benefit from it.